The floor surface was covered with the decor patras pine. White skirting boards are a good fit for it. As a first step, the fastening clips are screwed into the wall at a distance of 25 to 50 centimeters, depending on the wall material. They're used to click the skirting boards onto the wall, without a separate fastening. With the first type of mounting shown, the skirting boards are cut with a saw. It is very important to work with great precision, because the board ends must fit each other perfectly. As soon as the skirting boards are cut, they are clicked onto the fastening clips and pushed together. Another option for mounting skirting boards is using corner as well as external parts. In this case, a corner or external part is placed on the skirting ends and the skirting board is clicked onto the fastening clips.